Good evening, everyone. In this video, it is very interesting. Suppose sometime you have export the data as a shape features as then the error will be shown in like this. You have saved the data, save features as sometimes in this error will be shown. I will be fixed, so I can't to live now, but I will be fixed. How it will be fixed? That at first you have select the all features, and before you have shown in a features count, the features count will be shown in a 739, but the total features I will be selected, then the features count shown in a 734. So in this data, 5 features count will be non-valid geometry. So at first you have show the features count, and then you have select the all features, then you have open the attribute table. I have selected in this layer and then right click to open attribute table, and it will be selected all the features, but I will inverse selection. You have selected in a shortcut key Control R, or you have click in a inverse selection. So only error files you will be selected, and then you will be select in a attribute table drop down tab the show all features. Click in a show selected features. I have selected in a 5 invalid geometry file. This file will be deleted, and then you have to export as a shape feature set, that the error will not be shown. Okay, you have deleted these five invalid features. I have deleted in these 5 deleted features, and then you have save edit, and then you stop the toggle editing mode. Okay, then you have export the features, select the layer and right click, and then export, and then save features as. Okay, you have select the format, and you have to file name. When you have saved the file, then you have right corner 3 dot bottom, you have shown the browser file. You have clicked the browser file, and then you have saved the folder. I have selected the folder sample solve the error, and then save, and then okay, then it will be not shown the save error. Okay, so any doubt, any confusion, you have comment on this video, and any confusion, any type of problem, please comment on this. I will solve you. Okay, thank you.